Hi everyone, welcome to session 14 of Word Power Made Easy. Today we are going to be discussing about kinds of liars. I am sure everyone must have lied at some point of time. So there are these interesting words that describe the kind of liars. The first word is notorious. Notorious comes from the root notos, which means well known. Notorious is usually used in a negative frame, someone who is known for something bad. So, a notorious liar. A notorious liar is someone who has a reputation of lying. The next word is consummate. Consummate comes from the root con, which means with, plus summus. Summus means highest. So, someone who has reached the highest level of skill, art, or perfection. So, consummate liar is someone who has the ability to lie excellently, who has reached the highest level of ability to lie, and he lies in such a way that the listener almost believes that it is the truth. The next word is incorrigible. Incorrigible comes from the roots in. In is a negative prefix plus corrigo, which means to correct. So, incorrigible is someone or an ability of not being able to correct or change. So, an incorrigible liar is someone who keeps lying, but there is no possibility of changing him or correcting him. In spite of any punishment or embarrassment, he will keep lying. The next is an inveterate liar. Inveterate comes from the root vetus. Vetus means old. So, inveterate is someone who is in a state of being in a very long established habit. An inveterate liar is someone who has deep rooted habit of lying, who keeps lying. The next word is congenital liar, congenital comes from the root con, which means with, plus genes, which means origin or birth. So, something that was caused at birth or has origin from birth. So, a congenital liar is someone who has a long history of lying. In other words, you can say he has been lying from the moment of his birth. The next word is chronic. Chronic comes from the root chronos, which means time. So, chronic liar is someone who keeps lying very frequently. He can never stop lying. The next word is a pathological liar. Pathological comes from the word pathology, which has the root pathos, which means suffering or disease, plus logo, which means study. So it is study of a disease or suffering. A pathological liar is someone for whom lying has become a disease and no antibiotic can cure it. The next word is unconscionable liar. The word unconscious comes from the root un is a negative prefix plus con, which means with, plus sign scin, which means to know. So unconscious means someone who does not care about the surrounding or who does not know about the surrounding. An unconscionable liar is someone who does not care about the impact that his lying will cause on the other person. He has no guilt of lying. The next word is glib. Glib refers to smooth. So, a glib liar is someone who has a very ready tongue and can lie very smoothly. He has answers and can give answers very effortlessly. But this smoothness makes everyone suspect because the answers are too quick to be true. The next word is egregious liar. This comes from the root E. E means out plus greg, which means herd. Someone who is out of the crowd or out of the herd. But this is all for some vicious reason. So if you are this kind of liar, you are very vicious, very calculatedly, coldly. So someone who lies in a very vicious manner, and it is very disgusting at hearing them. So this is a summary of the kind of liars that we did today. You can pause and go through it again. Now the words that we learned today are not only restricted to kind of liars, they can also be used with something else. So for example, notorious. Notorious can also be used for a child. A notorious child is someone who is mischievous. Consummate. Consummate artist. An artist who has reached the highest level of perfection or skill. Incorrigible. An incorrigible optimist. He cannot be reformed or changed. Inveterate. Inveterate smoker. Someone who has a deep rooted habit of smoking. The next word is congenital. So congenital deformity, as this is something happening at birth. Chronic. Chronic appendicitis, which keeps happening again and again. Pathological. A pathological condition. Unconscionable. When someone faints, they are unconscious. Glib. A glib witness. Someone who speaks very smoothly. Egregious. Egregious error. Something which can be easily spotted out. Here are the pronunciations. Notorious, consummate, incorrigible, inveterate, congenital, chronic, pathological, unconscionable, glib, egregious. Now this is match the column, so you can pause the video and solve it yourself so that you know you have understood these words. You can even comment the answers. And this is an exercise which is fill in the blanks. So you can make sure you have understood today's session. And that's the end of it. Thank you.